either, or to present a choice between two options. Use one of if more than two things are present. When using either, or, neither, nor, or not only, but also in a sentence, the verb must agree with the subject that is closest to it. She is one of my friends. There may be more than two friends. There is no mention of just two. Either the cat or the dogs are playing outside. Nearest subject, dogs. Dogs are plural. So use plural verb. Either the dogs or the cat is playing outside. Nearest subject, cat. Cat is singular. So use singular verb. Neither nor linked two related negative ideas or actions. Indicate that two things are not true. Use none of if more than two things are present. None of the students was absent today. There is no mention of just two students, so use none of. Neither my colleagues nor my boss is going there. Boss is singular, so use singular verb. Neither my boss nor my colleagues are going there. Colleagues are plural, so use plural verb.